Short the capacitor terminals before testing to remove any residual charge that could cause an electric shock. When testing a capacitor, always discharge it first using a safe and controlled method, rather than relying on the meter to do it for you. The recommended method is to use a resistor with a value between 1 kiloohm and 100 kiloohms rated for at least 1 watt, connected across the capacitor terminals with insulated leads, and hold it in place for several seconds until the voltage reads 0 or near 0 with a meter. If a resistor is not available, a well-insulated screwdriver can be used only as a last resort for small, low-voltage capacitors, and only after wearing insulating gloves and eye protection. Touch the metal shaft to both terminals briefly while avoiding contact with the metal. Always verify discharge by measuring across the terminals with a voltmeter set higher than the capacitor working voltage, and confirm the reading is 0 or negligible before connecting the capacitance meter or multimeter. For large capacitors or high voltage systems, follow the equipment manufacturer procedure, which may require bleed resistors or a dedicated discharge tool and lockout tag procedures on the power source. Work with one hand behind your back when feasible to reduce the chance of current passing through your chest, and stand on an insulated mat to further reduce risk. Common mistakes include assuming the circuit is safe because power is off, which can leave capacitors charged. Always isolate and discharge the capacitor even after power removal. Another issue is using the wrong discharge method, such as shorting large high-voltage capacitors directly with a metal tool, which can cause sparks and damage. Instead, use a properly rated resistor and insulated leads. A third problem is failing to verify the capacitor is discharged before testing, which risks meter damage or shock. Always measure voltage across the terminals first, and only proceed when the reading is safe. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people. Our community discussion area lets users ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice related to safety procedures like capacitor discharge.